Hello friends, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how you can admin on the Facebook group. So without wasting time, let's start video. Before starting the process, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it and like the video. So firstly, open the Facebook and you will see three lines on top right. Click on it and then tap on groups and then tap on your groups, and here are your groups, and click on that group on which you want to add admin. So tap on that group. After that you will see manage option, click on it, and here you will see people options, click on it, and then you will see your group's members. Then click on that member which you want to as a admin. You will see three lines, click on it. Then you will see invite as admin, click on it. Then click on send invitations. If that person will accept your invitation, he will become a group admin. So in this way you can add admin on the Facebook group. So if this video is helpful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.